What is going on, everyone? How are you guys doing today? Yes, I do understand it has been a very long time since I've made a video on this channel. I just got caught up with a few other things outside of the channel and outside of YouTube as well. Therefore, I wasn't shooting video as much as I did in the past. However, I am starting to get back into the swing of things here and very excited to make this video for you guys today. So what we have here is I've received this package recently and I'm going to be unboxing it on camera with you guys. Can you guess what it is? Possibly by looking at the title. Is it what it is that I've titled in this video? Well, we are going to find out. So let's get started. Alright guys, you ready? Ready? Alright, that's enough. Not going to do any more of this shaking right there. But let's go ahead and crack this package open and see what we have inside. Alright, ready? You guys see it? See what's in the packaging? Let's go ahead and take it out. There it is. So if you guys guessed it correctly, indeed this is an iPhone SE. Taking a look around the box, on the bottom you have the Apple logo, you have the iPhone SE logo on the left side, another Apple logo, and then another iPhone SE logo on the right. And then of course, as you can see, I got the 32GB model, and it gives you a description on what is included with the contents. And at the bottom, you also get model number information as well. So without further ado, let's go ahead and crack this open. And I will make another video reviewing this thing and explaining why I got this particular device right here. I know some of you guys are probably wondering about that, but that'll be discussed in a different video. So after cracking open the wrapper over here, let's go ahead and just put that away. And let's go ahead on opening the box here. As you can see, it is a little tough to get open. Sometimes you might have to shake it a little bit because it was sealed pretty tightly within that cellophane wrapping. Alright, I think I got it open right here. So let's go ahead and take the top off. And there is the iPhone SE sitting inside the box. As you can see, nicely packaged in there, like so. Set the box down, and let's go ahead and take the phone out. But we'll put that off to the side for now to take a look at the contents within the packaging here. So just trying to lift up the plastic the phone was sitting in. And here is the documentation booklet, as you can see, designed by Apple in California. Let's go ahead and open it up to see what we have. Of course, we probably already know what's in there already, and of course I already ripped the booklet open. Alright. Looking inside, first piece of documentation, you got like a little quick start guide in regards to the outside of the phone, what buttons it has, what they're called. And if we look in the back, you get some welcoming information in regards to welcome to your iPhone. Put that off to the side. Here is another piece of documentation, most likely warranty info in regards to your specific product. And we have two Apple stickers. Now here is the SIM ejection tool, which I'm actually quite surprised on how it was packaged in there, because normally the little documentation booklet, they would normally have a little piece to slide the SIM ejection tool in there, but as you can see, we do not have that here. Interesting. But we'll go ahead and put that off to the side for now, and let's take a look at the rest of the contents. So at the bottom here, you have the USB lightning cable for charging. You have the 5-watt power adapter that connects any USB cable pretty much. Then you have the Apple Earpods, which is neatly wrapped in this little case right here. So it's as if this case is made for portability if you wanted to put your headphones away, but not stuff them in your pocket for them to get tangled up. So you could use this as like a little traveling case for your headphones if so desired. However, I'm not 100% sure how many people will use this, but it is there if you want it. So I'm just going to put everything back in the box right here so the mess doesn't drive me crazy. Alright, got the lightning cable in there. And we'll go ahead and put all this documentation away. I know you guys are like, get to the phone right now. And we are going to get into that after we put everything away, which I promise it is not going to take too long. Alright, we'll go ahead and just close up the box right here. And we'll move that off to the side. So now we are on to the phone itself. So let's go ahead and lift up the plastic. Nice. And we'll do the same for the back. All right. And that is going to be the last time I'll see the screen that clean. All right, so here is the front of the phone. At the top, you have your front-facing camera along with your speaker, and you have your home button at the bottom with the Touch ID sensor or fingerprint sensor if you guys aren't aware. On the left side, you have the vibrate switch, so vibrate on, vibrate off, well, if I can get it off. Then you got your volume up and down buttons. At the top, you have your sleep wake button. And on the right side, you have your nano SIM tray. At the bottom, you have your headphone jack, speaker, lightning connector, and the microphone. At the back, you have your camera with its mic and a dual LED flash, and at the bottom, it just says iPhone SE with disclosing some model number information down there. Alright, so that's basically the outside of the device. Let's compare this to my Samsung Galaxy Note 8, and as you can see, the iPhone SE replicates the same design as the iPhone 5 and 5S with the 4-inch screen at the front, and as you see, it sits inside the Note 8, and they're about the same thickness as well. Alright, let's go ahead and power this guy on. There is the Apple logo, that's a good sign. Give it a sec, should be booting into the setup screen here. Alright, we are greeted with a hello screen. And of course, me not reading the bottom right away, it said to press the home button to proceed, so I did that. Of course, we get a little message, no SIM card installed, because there isn't one installed in here. Now, we're on this screen right here. If you have another iPhone running iOS 11 or iPad, you can easily put all your stuff back onto the new device just by making sure the two are next to each other. But right now it's trying to activate the iPhone, but there is no SIM card in there currently. So I'm gonna go ahead and get one of my old SIM cards out. Just gotta take it out of this micro SIM tray here because the iPhone SE does take a nano SIM. Although what's interesting is if you don't activate your phone, it tries to go through the rest of the setup process without the SIM card in there. So as you're seeing right now, I am able to go through my Touch ID setup that I want to set up later. Same thing with the passcode settings. So we're going to try to go through the rest of the setup without putting a SIM card in there just yet. Alright, I'm going to set up as a new iPhone for now. We're going to sign into my Apple ID later because I just want to get through the settings here. We'll go ahead and agree to the terms and conditions. We'll hit customize settings for express settings, enable locations settings. We'll set up Siri later. I don't want to share iPhone analytics because I don't want Apple getting my info. And let's go ahead and take a look at the settings to see what version of iOS it's running. And as you can see, it's running 11.4.1. Now we are going to take out the SIM tray and we're going to put in an old T-Mobile SIM card that I have, which came from my Note 4 originally when I was still using that device with T-Mobile before I got my Galaxy Note 8. So once we put the SIM card in there, the status has now changed to no service, and as you can see in the settings, it says T-Mobile for the carrier version right now. So that is going to do it for this video today. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed it, please hit the like button down below. Also check the description below for my social media links, Twitter and Instagram. I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you and have a good day.